Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about the reset gate. The reset gate. Um, and the reset gate basically just resets whatever gates you have on a circuit. It resets everything back to zero, or the zero state, which is the default state of a quantum qubit. All right. So let's say I have a X gate here, right? So I have an X gate here. So when I add that X gate, it turns this one qubit, it turns it from a zero state to a one state. You can see that here. It's in a one state. But when I add the reset gate after that to reset it back to its original position of the qubit, you see it goes back to zero, right? Now let me put another gate there. Let's see. I could put a Hadamard gate here, right? And you see it's in the superposition. It's both a 0 and 1, right? It's a 0 and 1. You see that here. And you also see it here on this block sphere. It's a 0 here, and it's a 1, right? So if I want to reset this back to 0, the state that it's in, superposition, I can do this. I can add a reset gate, and see, it goes back to 0. And I can start all over again without having to erase this gate and start all over from the beginning with my gates. You see it's 0 stayed here, and you see it's 0 stayed here, right? And also you see the coding. The coding is reset, Q, bracket, the circuit line is 0, close bracket, semicolon. Now you can also move this. You can also move this down using coding to the Q1 line by just adding a 1. Let me show you that right now. See, then I can go to the Q2 line by adding a 2, 3 line by adding 3. All right, and I can still do it on this line as well. What I did on this line up here, just erase that. You can add a Hadamard gate. You see it's in superposition, right? It's both a 0 and a 1. And you just add the reset gate, and it goes back to 0. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and just add something in the comments section if you have any questions, if you have any thoughts. Is anything else, anything differently? Well, not differently, but is anything you would want me to add to my channel? Just put it in the comment section, and I'll look at it and I'll consider it. All right, thank you.